So I was facing a challenge to pay both my kids' fees. It was getting due months after months, and the school had a policy of paying the fee in 3 installments, which was really tough for me.
I am not that kind of a person who would like to have reminders coming for any of the payments.
You don't have time to go and make the payment, and children will suffer saying that, Papa, my name is not come in the thing. Tax teacher ke itna diya. Why? It's all embarrassing for them.
Our products enable parents to pay their kids' school fees in a way which is most convenient to them. They can choose to pay it monthly, they can choose to pay it every quarter.
Best thing about Judo is they are charging you at 0% interest, which is not going to happen if you take a loan from bank or any other place.
I have been a finance professional for almost 27 years. We know there's financing for almost everything, under the sun. But I never knew that even for school fees financing, this was a very unique concept.
One of the biggest questions that parents ask us is, why are you giving me a 0% loan? What is the catch? And the simple answer is, you are able to get this at no cost is because your school is helping them.
We pay the upfront money to the institution or the school, and we charge the school.
Schools do a great job of providing the best quality education to kids. But even with their best intention, they're not able to provide flexible payment options because of the operational hassles. So we work with schools closely to enable them to provide flexible payment options to parents.
For a small fee the school bears, the parents have the convenience of paying in monthly installments. Parents also realize the school has gone out of the way to be able to make it easier for them to make the payments. That definitely does earn some goodwill from parents.
It's a great idea and it's a great service because Jodo has put in that additional effort to ensure that parents are happy. It's very quick. There is a certain vibrancy that Jodo brings.
There was a school which was very reluctant to work with us. Actually, it was the first school in Bangalore. We contributed to 30% of their fee collection and paid them the entire fees upfront. And a few teachers in the school were parents in the school as well. And they told us that we got our salaries in COVID because of Jodo. That was very heartening to hear.
What we liked is just sign up is very seamless.
And your technology in terms of documentation was simply brilliant.
When Zulu approached me, I was very happy the way people talked to me and they followed up, and even the process was very simple. So it's very easy for me. Every month EMI is going automatically. I really happy they also not only they're helping us on the fees but also suggesting which school is better.
I am going to start with something which is more back home, which we all really relate with.
What you are doing for the development of kid, it is much broader, which need to be percolated to all parents. They should understand that other than financial support, you are doing all these activities also.
So Jodo Joy is one part of Jodo that we have started developing very recently. The way parents think about their child's education, aspirations, learning, development is by speaking to other parents. It's very important to create a community of these parents where they can come and talk about this.
At Jodo, our mission is to help parents in their mission of providing the best education to their kids.
As a parents, both of us want to give out the best. And the question is, what is best?
I don't know what I want to become when I grow up. If I see someone, then I think I will be that person.
The child's mind is very playful. Today he will say I would like to play guitar, but tomorrow he will say I want piano. So it's really confusing.
When it comes to upbringing of a child, everyone has an opinion, but nobody is really sure if the opinion is right or wrong. One of the things that we are really trying to solve is figuring out a way to be the parent's partner where we are able to aid them in their key decisions, making them a little bit more confident about what is right for their child.